Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best portable welding machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. CIPCOPRO Portable Welding Machine. CIPCOPRO Portable Welding Machine has been designed with a solid construction, lightweight design and a durable performance in mind. The CIPCOPRO Arc Welder 205 amp inverter IGBT stick MMA welder 110V 220V dual voltage hot start portable welding machine is a must-have for home improvement and construction projects. With this powerful welder, you can handle a wide range of projects with a huge capacity for output and long hours of continuous use. Easy to use, this welder offers a complete solution for welding in the comfort of your own home. CIPCOPRO AC/DC Dual Voltage Inverter Welder, one of the most trusted names in welding, is your perfect partner with its latest range of portable welding machines. This inverter IGBT stick MMA welder with wire capacity of 6mm is designed to give you superior performance at all times. The machine is designed with a digital screen that gives clear and crisp operating instructions. It has a provision for pulse function and gives a professional finish to your welds. The storage chamber of the machine is of a large capacity and hence you don't have to stop work in between. It is a perfect choice for various applications and has a high welding current of 205 A. Number 4. HUGEWELD Portable Welding Machine. HUGEWELD is a portable TIG welder. TIG welder is a very popular welding machine, mainly used for welding aluminum. It is a good helper for your bicycle, motorcycle, car, motorcycle, small amateur welding work, a good assistant for your repair work. AC/DC design can be switched freely, no need to do pre-preparation, and welding torch is optional. It's especially suitable for home use, who is not a professional welder, can use it for home repair, hobbies, or for some simple small orders, and the price is not expensive, very cost-effective, economical. AC input selectable from 100V 230V with a built-in intelligent electromagnetic switch, DC inversion input and inverter power. Welding power can reach 200A, suitable for welding materials up to 1.5mm thickness. The TIG200 is regarded as the best TIG welder for beginners who want to start off with a TIG welder that can be used for both TIG welding and stick welding. The HUGEWELD TIG200 is designed with intelligent control to meet the welding needs of both welding professional and beginners. Number 3. HZXVOGEN Portable Welding Machine. HZXVOGEN Portable Welding Machine with 60% duty cycle. This 150 amp MMA welder features an adjustable DC power output control with a TIG MMA switch. This inverter welder has a max 100% DC power output and a 60% duty cycle rating. The duty cycle is an indication of how frequently the welder can be used to weld without overheating the device. The higher the duty cycle, the less time you will have to take your welder off duty before you can weld again. This welding pack comes with an ultrasonic cleaner. The HZXVOGEN HZ200A mini welder is an inverter-powered, dual-voltage stick welder with an adjustable duty cycle. This 110V 220V welder is designed to handle light and mid-level welding jobs. This machine's quick and easy operation makes it a great welding machine for kids and beginners. The HZXVOGEN HZ200A mini welder is ideal for home welders, carpenters, and professionals. A practical welding machine with a small footprint, it's portable to take with you on the job site. This welder is an economical alternative to full-size welders. Number 2. TOOLIOM Portable Welding Machine. TOOLIOM Portable Welding Machine is a lightweight portable welding machine with a high quality and powerful function, is with ergonomic design, smooth welding, easy operation, waterproof and durable, and its best choice for welding cast iron, stainless steel, copper and aluminum, etc. The built-in DC inverter produces stable and high-quality output. And the DC inverter makes this welder portable at the same time. It has a digital display and a lightweight. TOOLIOM Portable Welding Machine is an inverter model, so do not need to worry about the power of the output current, it is more suitable for the use of the poor current and damp environment. With the system, the welding machine can be connected to the computer so that the welding machine can be controlled and monitored by the computer, which can be set up in the PC simulation welding process, which can be optimized for welding optimization. The digital display is more intuitive, and the welding parameters can be set. Number 1. YESWELDER Portable Welding Machine. YESWELDER Portable Welding Machine, with arc welder, MMA welder and stick welder in one. This compact, portable and lightweight welder is perfect for welding at home, at the job site, or even in your small workshop. It's an invaluable tool for industrial, professional or DE projects. It's a digital inverter welder, which has excellent features, especially on digital display and microprocessing control. The digital inverter is not only a convenient digital display to control welding parameters and outputs, but also easy to program and adjust the welding parameters to meet different kinds of welding needs. It also has a built-in micro switch, which will auto-shut off the machine if the electrode holder is not connected properly. This safety feature is not available in ordinary welding machines. The affordable price will save you money, and YESWELDER quality comes with our 5-year warranty. It's the perfect alternative to heavy, expensive welding machines. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.